Alright, we're back here. This time we have a beautiful K-Line Empire State Express New York Central steam engine with the Lionel rail sounds. Now, the reason I got this ruler out is because I looked high and low trying to find out what the length of this thing is, and I could absolutely not find it. K-Line claims this is a scale model, and Lionel claims theirs is a scale model, as does Mike Trainhouse. Yet theirs are 25 inches, and this one, as you could maybe see here, is just about 21 inches. The engine itself is about 11 inches. So I guess it's close enough. I have no idea. I don't know where they get the other 4 inches from. But whatever. They both claim scale, so it certainly is nice, that I can tell you. I'm going to take the top off the tender and show you something in there. This top is all die cast, really heavy, really nice, beautifully made, gorgeous graphics. This wire is for the backup light, which is back there, really nice tender. And this was purchased, there's the circuit board, Lionel trains. This was purchased from that outfit that's all over eBay called Trains with a Z, T-R-A-N-Z. And I'm telling you, that place, they are just unbelievably, they have no attention to detail. I don't know how this, you know how they stay in business, they're so big. And I think that's why they have so many problems, is because they're so big. Last time I bought an engine from them, there was a battery in it, replaced before 2005. That was like a year ago. Now I just got this one. What do we have here? Check out the battery. Replaced before January 2005. They don't even give a rat's behind. They really don't care. So we're going to change that. I ran it already, so I should have checked it first. But of course it sounds lousy because of the dead battery. And we're going to put one of those rechargeables in here because those are guaranteed not to leak. I don't know how this one didn't leak. It's going to be a miracle that it didn't. These things are notorious for leaking. And that's it. We'll get it on the tracks and see how it sounds with a new battery. Okay, this wire, it's a little bit under strain. I wouldn't even say it is, because it goes into that slot and it fits kind of tight, but just to be on the safe side, I added a wire tie right there. So it's got a little something to, it doesn't just yank this tiny plug that it's connected to. Alright, we'll get the top back on now. Okay, this is the locomotive. You can see this thing was kind of dusty. They didn't give it such a great cleaning. We're going to have to go over this with a damp rag. Check out the bottom. It really doesn't look like it was run much at all. Alright, we'll test it out. I really don't think I need to take this apart. I could always put a few drops of oil on those axles and just see if the smoke unit works and stuff like that. I'll get a test track out. Let's look in the cab. Oh yeah, look at that. There's the socket where the plug goes. Very nice. Okay. It seems to be acting a little weird with the whistle. Let's see. I'm at neutral. I'm not touching the whistle. It's blowing all by itself. It's neutral, reverse, neutral, forward. I don't know why the whistle's blowing, but then again I'm using this small transformer. See what happens when we put it outside on the bigger transformer. Alright, I got it all cleaned up. The battery's in, and I think we're going to take this outside and test it. Alright, so this is the item number, in case they made more than one. New York Central. Empire State Express. That's the number. Okay.